In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surveymonkey for free. Surveymonkey is a popular online tool for creating surveys, and while it offers paid plans, its basic or free plan is quite useful if you know how to make the most of it. Let's dive in and explore what you can do without spending a dime and make sure we're getting the best out of this free setup. First off, you'll want to set up your free Surveymonkey account. This step is straightforward. Just head over to their website and sign up. There's no trial period on this free plan, so once you're in, you can continue using it indefinitely without any time pressure. Now, with your account ready, let's move on to creating your surveys. One of the great things about the free plan is that you're not restricted in the number of surveys you can create. Feel free to be as creative and expansive as you need. However, each individual survey can have no more than 10 questions. As for the question types available, you have a fair mix to work with. Multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and text boxes to frame your questions effectively. Keep in mind, though, that advanced question types such as matrix or rating scales will be out of reach unless you decide to upgrade to a paid plan. An added advantage of the free plan is the access to AI-powered guidance and more than 400 expert design templates. These tools can really simplify the survey building process, helping you design clear and concise surveys quickly and efficiently. When it comes to collecting responses, the free plan does come with some limitations. Surveymonkey generally keeps a cap on the number of responses per survey. This is often stated as around 40 to 100 responses. If you hit this cap and need to process more responses, upgrading to a paid plan is your best option to ensure you gather all the necessary data. For analyzing results, you have access to some basic built-in analytics. This includes things like charts and dashboards, which can offer a quick understanding of your data. Unfortunately, data export options such as CSV, Excel, or PDF exports aren't included in the free plan. If exporting your data for deeper analysis is something you require, consider whether a paid plan might better suit your needs. Distributing your survey on the free plan is pretty flexible. You can share it via a link, which you can either post, email, or even embed on your website. Plus, there's the option to reach out through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, providing opportunities to reach a broader audience effortlessly. There you have it, a complete guide to maximizing Surveymonkey's free plan. With this insight, you're equipped to start creating and distributing surveys effectively, all without reaching into your wallet.